Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 6 of programming in HTML5 basic HTML links. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, navigate to the finder, make sure we are in documents, click on the HTML5 folder, double click, right click on index.htm, open with text edit, close out to Finder, increase the size of the text edit file, Command plus a couple of times to increase the font, remove the paragraphs, and now we are ready to insert a couple of HTML links. In order to do this, we will need the A tag. So less than a href equals the link we wish to go to. For this video, we will use Google, and so https, don't forget the speech marks, colon, / www.google.co.uk, speech marks, close off the tag, and then within this tag, Google, end the tag with less than / a, close the tag off, and now we can save this. Command S, go all the way down to Finder, click on the HTML folder, right click, open with Safari, and now the top left corner we have a link. If we click on this, it will send us to google.co.uk, close out of Safari, go back to the text edit file. HTML links are defined with the A tag. The link's destination is specified within the href attribute, and these attributes are used to provide additional information about the HTML elements. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.